Hi, this is Steve Meyer, the market chartist on behalf of ForexTraders.com. And we're now going to take a look at both the US dollar versus the Japanese yen and the Canadian dollar and see how they're still retaining an overall bearish theme in here within a downtrend for dollar yen and within a range environment for dollar CAD. Starting off here with the US dollar versus Japanese yen, we did see a rebound very into late February here at the end of last week. But whilst capped by resistance here at 114.88, we see bigger picture bearish pressures intact from this whole sell-off from the end of last year and for 2016, and particularly this sell-off that we saw, the aggressive sell-off in early February. So overall, the bearish theme very much intact in here, whilst below 114.88, and we're looking for a pushback lower to retest this February low at 110.97. And then bigger picture, if we go to the weekly chart here, we've got lower targets at 110.33 and 110.00, and then potentially down here towards 106.12 and 105.20 as we go through late March into Q2. Again here, this 106.65 target on the monthly chart, that's the 38.2% retracement of the entire 2011-2015 rally. So we see real downside threats there, certainly potentially into March, but more likely going into further out into Q2 maybe. On an intraday basis, despite the rebound we've had, we're looking for resistance up here at 114.88 to cap for a rollback down lower for a more bearish tone. For the US dollar versus the Canadian dollar, slightly different setup, reversing the bull trend in here that comes up from Q4 previously for a shift to a broader range between 143.26 and 133.60. But after a consolidation phase over the last couple of weeks, the market breaking lower at the end of last week and real risk to the lower end of this range towards 133.60, through which would then see a still more bearish tone. This has been Steve Meyer, the market chartist, on behalf of ForexTraders.com, and I wish you a great trading